series for BFM, and mainly we are covering probable questions now. Probable questions from the exam point of view. So follow this series till the end. In fact, I would suggest follow the complete series. Okay. So let's start. Today's topic is LRS, Liberalized Remittance Scheme, and other remittance facilities for residents. So very important topic. LRS, do you know what is LRS? Anyone? Okay, I'll cover that. Okay, I'll first give you the details of LRS. Okay. Before going to this question, let me give you the LRS details here. Under LRS, you can transfer up to USD 2,50,000, 250. Okay, 2,50,000 per person per year. Okay, per person per year. Okay. So it is per person per year, remember this. Okay, so this much you can transfer outside India if you want. Means if for any purpose it can be. Means it generally for the current account purpose, not a capital account purpose. Current account means what? Current means basically any regular purposes, regular uses. Suppose if you have to travel abroad, or you have to purchase something not related to business actually. You have to travel abroad or do some studies. For that case, that is the point. So up to 2,50,000 you can transfer abroad. Okay, so now let's start with these details. Which of the following is the FATF compliant country? Compliant: Iran, North Korea, Pakistan, and none of the above. Okay, let me see how many of you do answer this. I know many of you will answer this D, none of the above. Let me see how many of you answer this D, none of the above. Means all are none of them is FATF compliant. Iran, North Korea, Pakistan. Is it so? Let me see the answer over here. It is Iran is not FATF compliant as of now. North Korea is not FATF compliant as of now. But Pakistan is FATF compliant, although it is in the grey list. Okay, grey means very near to non-compliance, near, only one stage ahead, but still it is FATF compliant. So Pakistan is a grey list, but it's a FATF compliant country. So the answer is C, Pakistan. Got it? I know many of you have answered this as none of the above, but Pakistan is still in the FATF compliant country. Okay, it's in the grey list. Form 1 refers to what? What is this Form 1, Form 2? Means what is this Form 1 actually? Form 1 refers to what? It refers to, who can answer me? Let's see. Okay, for one-time FEMA declaration, transaction-wise FEMA declaration, control form for import remittances, and control form for outward remittances other than imports. So Form 1 refers to what? Who can tell me then? Yeah. It is control means one-time FEMA declaration. Is this Form 1? No, it is not Form 1. One-time FEMA declaration is a separate part altogether. Transaction-wise FEMA declaration, that is also given every transaction. So that's not under Form 1. Okay. Control form for import remittances. What do you mean by import remittances? Import remittances means, suppose if I import something from abroad, in that case I have to give the payment to that guy, whomever I am importing. So that is called as basically import remittance. So control form for import remittances, or the last one, control form for outward remittances other than imports. Now other than imports means what's here? Remember, Form 1 always refers to outward payment. That is the basic. Okay, it is, I'll write it over here. It is for outward payment. Okay, outward payment. Got it? But it is for outward payment, agreed, but it is never for imports. Sure, outward payment can be either for your imports, means you buy something and then you pay to that person. That is one part. Or second, I can have somebody in outside also, my brother, my father, my mother, my daughter, anyone who may be staying outside. So I can transfer the funds to them. So what is Form 1 used for? Is it used for this import, or is it used for the other outward payment? So it is, the answer is D. Control form for outward remittances other than imports. Remember, it is other than imports. For imports, Form 1 is not used. Okay, outward remittances. Got it, everyone? Clear? Before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study materials plus live classes, ebooks, tests, everything. Whatever we need for clearing CAIIB, you will get it over here. So that's why download it immediately. Exams are nearing. Okay. Which of the following is not permissible purpose for grant of loans by a resident to NRI? What do you mean by this? Purpose of grant of loans by a resident to an NRI means if I am a resident, see here, we are not talking here for the banks. I am not talking here from the bank's perspective only. It can be resident means it can be a normal individual also. See, if I am an individual and there is an NRI, that NRI wants to buy something, so I can give him a loan. Means that NRI can be my brother, father, anyone. If that person wants to buy, I can give him a loan. But for what purpose is it not allowed? Investment in agricultural and plantation activities. Real estate related business activities undertaken by the NRI in India. And C is both A and B. And D is none of the above. So where I can't give the loan to an NRI, is it only agri plantation or is it real estate business? Both of them. It can be both, it can be single also. Let me see the answers from your side. Answer it fast, everyone. Answer it fast. It is, what do you say? It is, let's see. Yeah. It is correct. C, A and B. For both the purposes, it's not allowed. NRI can invest in India, okay, in land also, but that land should not be used for agri or plantation or real estate business. That is not allowed. Okay. If NRI wants to invest in any of these three, it's not that he can't invest at all. He can invest, but subject to the permissions of RBI. That is important. Okay. As a general rule, nobody can immediately invest. Okay, in these three activities as an NRI. The resident individual having invested in overseas subsidiary should be allotted shares within the maximum period of, no, what do you mean by this? What is this? Overseas corporate bodies. Okay, that is the basic logic behind this. Okay, so if anyone has invested in the overseas companies, okay, so those shares should be invested to this person in how many days? Means what? Here, suppose if I am, let's say, Tata, you might have seen this thing. Tata bought what? They bought what? Chorus, right? Steel plant. Chorus, they bought it from in this Europe. So they bought Chorus. So when they bring buy this Chorus, this company, these shares are to be allotted to Tatas in how many days? 60, 180, 30 days, or no such restriction. So they are to be allotted in how many days? Let's see. 60, 180, 30. It is? How? What is it? Yeah, it is. Many of you are answering 180. No, answer is 60. 60 days. The shares are to be allotted within 60 days to that Indian company. Okay. Got it, everyone? It's, remember this figure, 60 days. Okay. Now, before going ahead, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting the latest updates on JIB and CAIIB, number 1. And number 2, you will be getting all the free YouTube series. Right now, we are watching the free YouTube series, right? Similar free YouTube series, you will get it on this channel. All the subjects. So that's why subscribe to it immediately. Click on the bell icon. Okay? It's free. Everything is available free over here. Okay? What is the permissible ceiling for the resident individual making investments made under LRS out of the balance in RFC account? Is it USD 2,50,000 in the financial year? Is it USD 1 lakh in the financial year? Is it USD 5 million? Or no such limit if debited from EFC or RFC account? So what can be the answer over here? Yeah? What do you think is the answer? Yeah? See here, 2,50,000. This is for normal resident. This is for resident. Means I am the Indian citizen and I want to invest somewhere, or not invest actually. I have to transfer the funds under LRS. So in that case, 2,50,000 is a limit for me. Okay, but that is not true for the NRIs or that RFC accounts. For RFC accounts, the limits are different. Is it USD 1 lakh then? So A is out. Okay, and even D is out. Chalo. Okay, so the answer is either 1 lakh or USD 5 million. 5 million means what? 1 million is 10 lakhs. So 5 million means 5 into 10 lakhs. So 50 lakhs, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. So these are the zeros. Okay, 5 million. So that is in dollars. Remember, not rupees. Dollar 5 million. So what is the answer? The answer is C, USD 5 million. Okay, so it means the upper ceiling for a resident individual making investments made under LRS out of the balances in RFC account is USD 5 million. So if I am the resident individual, I'll have to transfer maximum 2,50,000. But if I am an NRI having RFC account, I can transfer up to USD 5 million. Remember these figures, okay? TT selling rate for the issue of draft of JPY USD 1 lakh. We have to find this. If USD INR rate is this 75.94 and what is this 75.9400 and this is oblique. Okay, this is oblique over here. 75.9400 and 9450 and USD JPY 116.5055. No margins, give the rupee amount to be charged. So this rupee amount we have to find out. Issue of draft. Issue of draft means what? Firstly tell me, is it a inward payment or is it a outward payment? Is it inward or is it outward? Or is it outward? What is it? Outward. So is it inward or outward? What is the first answer? First point is this. Inward or outward? Is it? It is outward. Funds are going out, right? Issue of draft. When do we issue the draft? We issue the draft when the funds are going out. So if I am having outward remittance, means which rate will I use? I will be using the selling rate. Sell rate. Okay. So what sell rate now? See here. I want what? I want JPY to INR. See here. My first logic is JPY to INR because this customer is in India. So I want it in INR. He wants the funds in JPY. So what is the rate? Is JPY to INR available? No, I am having USD to INR and USD to JPY. So what will I do? I'll make it cross. Okay, JPY chain rule. JPY to USD into USD to INR. Okay. So now what I am having? See this JPY to USD. Am I having it? No, I am having it USD to JPY. Reverse one. So what will I do? See this. I'll just reverse this. So it becomes what? JPY to USD means 1 upon see here this rate 1 upon 116.55. Remember we are in the selling rate, right? So 116.55. Okay, why 55? Okay, everyone remember, look at this. Whenever we have any rates, they are given like this, this and this. So this side is always sell, this side is always buy. Okay, whenever you are doing some imports or funds are going out, dollars out, okay, so you will always use the sell rate. When dollars are in, dollar in, so you will always use the buy rate. Okay, buy rate, number one. Number two, always check the forward rates. Forward. Now here there is no forward given. There's nothing mentioned about the forward rates over here, right? So that's why no problem. But always check the forward rates. Whenever you are having a premium, okay, it will always be added. Whenever you are having discount, it will always be subtracted, right? And also check about the TT margins. Here in this problem nothing is asked. TT margins, but remember in TT margins whenever I sell, okay, I'll always add it plus, okay, and whenever I buy means export, okay, I'll always subtract it. So these are the basics you have to always remember. So now what am I asked is JPY to USD, but I am having USD to JPY. So I'll reverse this. So it becomes what? 116.55. Okay, 1 upon 116.55 into USD to INR. I know this 75.94 or 95 now, 9450. So it is 75.9450. Okay, this is the rate you have to use. Now do it using the calci. What is the rate you are getting? 75.9450 divided by 11. What is that? Let me do it also myself. Okay, 75.945 divided by 116.55. So it is 0.6516. Okay, 0.6516. So this is the rate I'll quote for JPY to INR. This is the rate I'll be quoting for JPY to INR. Remember, always remember one important point. JPY is always quoted in terms of 100. So actually the rate over here will be 100 JPY to INR equals to 65.16. Okay, so that is the main answer. But if in exam they don't ask you 100 JPY, you can tick on this only 0.6516. Okay, so now let me come to this batches, CAIIB selection batch. This batch is the main batch for CAIIB. Why? See here, we are covering all the numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. All the 4 compulsory subjects, ABM, BFM, ABFM, BRBL, all of them are covered. Use the code Y432. Huge discounts are going on using this code. Okay, Y432. Huge discounts, and also you'll be check this Mahapack. Mahapack is one of the best things. In Mahapack you are having 15 plus batches, 15 plus per subject. It's a good thing. Recorded videos are available. Okay, so if you miss out on any class, any batch, you can definitely go through the recorded videos. Let me show you how to get the discounts. Okay, go to Adda 24/7. Let me go to Adda 24/7. Say this. Right now I'm on Adda 24/7. If you are having the app, then go through the app. I would suggest. Okay, in the app, what are you are getting 1% extra using the coin systems. Okay, click on JIB and CIB. Say this. Click on CIB 23. Clicked. Everyone is over here now. CIB 23. Click on the selection batch. Now you'll see the details of the batch. What are the details? See this. Timings are given, dates are given. See this. ABM, BFM have started. ABFM, that is also started. BRBL, that is also started. So all the 4 have started. Even if you have missed out some classes, you can get the recorded videos. Okay, you'll get a study plan also over here. Study plan is very important. That will give you the guidance how to study. Now look at the fees. See this fees part, 5,999.75. Okay, click on more offers. Okay, now put the code Y432. Click on apply. Look at this, 77% off you are getting, 5519.77. Okay, means 23,999 reduces to 5519. Such a huge discount you are getting. You should definitely attend this batch. Okay, because you have to clear it in single attempt. Remember, new portion, everything is new. Okay, but I would suggest one more thing. You should go for the Mahapack. In Mahapack you are getting 15 plus batches per subject. See this Mahapack. Click on JIB CIB Mahapack. Click on CIB ka Mahapack. Look at these details. 15 plus batches for ABM, BFM, ABFM, BRBL. Full length mock tests are available. Question ebooks are available. So all these things you'll be getting it over here. Now let me come to the fees again. Remember, you are having the recorded sessions for each and every batch. Okay, now click on buy now. See this, click on more offers. Put the code Y432. Never forget this code. This code will give you 15 means almost 77% off. See this, 77% off. Huge discounts are going on. 8049.77. So 34.999 reduces to 8049. So 15 plus batches per subject you are getting. Okay, so join this Mahapack ASAP. Okay, So I'll stop over here. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, bye, keep studying and do join the batches.